how amazing you are right now. Your uniqueness is so essential to the symphony of the vastness of this world. And without you being yourself, and without you taking care of yourself, and without you doing every single little dang thing that you do on the day to day to take care of things, this world would not be the same. And thank you for watching this video to level up your life, to truly tap into who you want to be, how you want to feel. And I'm really, really, really excited. If you have not yet heard, I'm actually launching a holistic fitness program in July. And I'm emailing out a lot of exclusive sneak peek content, like fresh content, like really informative content. So if you'd like access to that content, please click the link to join my email list. And if you haven't yet gotten my retreat recipes and mindset practices ebook, that is a really valuable piece of work that I poured my heart and soul into, and I invite you to definitely download that on my website. So let's dive into the tips from my dad. So actually years ago, I remember talking with my dad, and I said, "Dad, what are your top tips for success? Like what or how are you so successful?" And he laughed and he was like, "What do you mean, me successful?" And basically his number one tip was to have a sense of humor. And I love that because so often I feel like I take life way too seriously, and so many people around me are just like so pigeonholed into whatever it is that they're doing, and they forget to just like, just laugh a little, live a little, enjoy a little. So let this video be a reminder to bring humor to whatever it is, no matter how serious the situation. Like, let's just chill for a sec and know that everything's gonna be okay and have some humor with it. Also, a huge lesson that I've learned from my dad, which I so appreciate, is how to prioritize things. And I really am so grateful for him because he's the type of person that really does care about people and cares about how people feel and making people feel really comfortable. And I know that at the end of the day, yes, success can be different for a lot of different people. Maybe that's money, maybe that's such and such accomplishment, maybe that's such and such award or job title, whatever it is. But for him, it was truly his family, and he would say that his family is his success, his relationships are a success. And that's so inspiring to me because I just feel like, I don't know, sometimes, especially with social media, we forget to acknowledge like the people in our lives and how important it is, to be there for one another. And I'm just so grateful to have a dad who, would stay up all night with me if I was sick or that kind of a thing. So I think that it's just a lesson to be able to be there for one another and remember that, sure, like these YouTube videos are important to me. Sure, like making money is important to me. But at the end of the day, I want to be able to be there for the people I love. And that's real success to me. And that's such a beautiful and powerful lesson I learned. And also from my dad, I have learned that there's two more things I want to say. First of all, I am a lot more like my dad than I thought I was growing up. I always thought my dad was kind of weird and different, and it's so funny. Like, I feel like as like a teenage girl or as like a young girl, it's like so easy and I guess normal to be like embarrassed of your parents or whatever for like some stupid reason. But my dad is not afraid to be different. My dad is not afraid to wear what he wants to wear and like try new things. And like he picked up knitting and he picked up like all of these different activities, and he's so fascinated by so many things like astronomy and who knows what. He just loves learning things and trying new things, and he doesn't care what anybody else thinks about him. He's just like likes to do his own thing, and he's super content. And that is so inspiring for me. I feel like so many people, I feel like people just will do what the crowd does, whereas my dad does what is fun for him and what his unique, brilliant self wants to do. And I feel like I love that so much, and I love that that's okay. Like, it's okay to make crazy concoctions in the kitchen and experiment and see if it turns out okay, or like it's okay to, whatever it is, just like go after things that may not seem like normal to try, and just try it and have fun and do whatever you want to do, really. And so I'm really grateful for my dad for that. And I hope that you can adopt that too and know, like, sure, if everybody's out drinking and are having fun drinking and smoking and partying and whatever, like, no, sure, if you want to do that, that's fine. But if you have more fun at the library reading about Jupiter, then do that, okay? So, yeah, I love my dad, and I realize that I'm such a nerd, just like you, just like him, and I love just, like, being by myself and researching stuff and knowing that that's okay, so I love that. And lastly, just got off the phone with him today, asking him, you know, what is his Father's Day wisdom, and he was saying that just practice makes perfect, and so the reality is that it takes trying something, it takes doing something to get better at something and to actually practice and put in the work. And I love that advice, and I just wanted to share that with you. If you are being impatient with yourself, if you are feeling uncomfortable going after something challenging or something difficult or something that you've never done before, know that it's okay for things to be uncomfortable. It's okay for things to feel challenging and like a struggle at first. And know that it all takes practice. We're always growing and learning. And yeah, I'm just recognizing that that's okay to go up against challenges and things that are uncomfortable. Like even getting on the camera right now, even though I've been doing this for some time, it still feels like, you know, I'm still practicing, I'm still learning, I'm still growing, and it's all good. So thank my dad so much. And there's so much more I could say too. Like, he's brilliant. I love my dad so much, and I really hope you enjoy this sweet video I made. I literally did not even have a camera. I just made it using my laptop. This video I made in 2015 in Vermont with him. Definitely watch it through to the end. It's really, really cute, the ending. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you try the toast that we made together. It's actually really good. That toast is something that we would both be up late and wanting like a midnight snack, he would call it, and so he used to make that for me all the time growing up, and yeah, so it has a really special place in my heart, that video. I hope you liked it, and give this video a thumbs up, hit me up on Instagram, and yeah, definitely let's get in touch, get on my email list for my exclusive content coming out before my program launches. I'm really excited about it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Much love, happy Father's Day.
My father used to love to lick his plate.
My father does too.
That's right. Best part.